hindi siya ng committee chairman. Marami nagtataka bakit yung Blue Ribbon Committee natin kay Marcoleta bukod sa unified,
Why not?
identified siya sa Duterte.
There's always a first time. And Senator Marcoleta is highly qualified to head that committee. He being a lawyer, tanggalin mo na yung opposition siya. Sa aking palagay, o sa aking palagay, he is highly qualified to hold that post, to hold that committee.
Do you think magiging patas lang siya? Sa mga
He is fair. With all due respect, si Senator Marcoleta is fair.
Kasi pagkaalala niyo, siya lang bang neophyte senator na nagpinta?
Yeah, sa tagal ko dyan Senado, this is the first time that a neophyte senator and an opposition at that ay hinawakan ang Blue Ribbon Committee.
dapat ba,
Pero wala naman sa rules ng Senado na hindi pwede ibigay sa isang neophyte senator.
So, meron pa bang ibang express ng interest sa PRC?
Wala naman sa Blue Ribbon. Wala naman. It was previously held by Senator Pia.